How come you know where your boat's at today?
No, I don't know.
Oh, sorry.
No.
My bad. My
It's
bad.
okay.
I'm sorry. I'm
Hey,
sorry.
It's okay. You know what? I got to change it up, you know?
Okay.
This case isn't just about a DWI, it's about a man standing at the edge of turning his entire life around. Mr. Copeland's history includes arson and robbery. But today, the judge offers more than judgment. He offers a warning and a lifeline. With a felony already on record, another mistake could mean 15 to life. Yet here's a rare moment. Accountability meets mercy. Is this redemption or the calm before another storm? Stick around, because what this judge says might just change someone's life. Would you walk away or throw it all away again?
Well, we're trying to look good for you. How are you?
Amazing.
I'm sorry?
Amazing, sir.
I hope. I really hope. You know, you've got a lot of stuff going on. And wow. All resolved.
All resolved.
What happened?
I know it.
Everything got dismissed.
Everything's done.
So no more probation.
No more probation. I'm tired of that.
Did you learn anything? If you learn one thing leaving here today, Mr. Copeland, patience. Patience goes so far in life. When you are confronted with someone who's an a-hole, exercise patience. You know, it don't matter. Even if you're right and they're wrong, with your record, if a cop rolls up to you, they will probably hard-pressed to take your side because of your record, you know? But if you exercise patience, right, or walk away, if you see a situation that's getting out of control, it's really gonna serve you well, you know? I cannot tell you how lucky you are, really, that you're with this. You were on probation for an aggravated robbery with the where was it, the arson?
Arson.
Yeah.
So a 10-month jail on the MHA for the arson.
Is that what it is? But he's got sufficient credit that you're probably walking out of here today, right, Mr. Cope? But what I'm saying is patience goes a long way. Even, you know, if you get into a pissing match with an officer, anyone that has a power of arrest, who's going to win? Right. Every single time. I don't care if you're right. I don't care if you're wrong. You're still going to get it. So just patience. Tuck your tail. And, you know, if you ever have an issue, come back to me and I'll help you too. If you ever need help, come back to me here and I'll do what I can to help you out. If you need, you know, shelter. I mean, I can't give you money, but no, whatever. If someone's messing with you in life, come back to me. We can try to work it out somehow. You know, I can give you a lawyer. We can work things out somehow, some way. But patience, man. You know, it really goes a long way.
So I'm just serious. As you asked me what I've learned, I've started to let things go more than I did 2 years ago.
It's great.
I've started to just learn to let things go instead of, you know, someone does something that sometimes you just gotta walk away. Like I'm dead serious about that. I'm not joking.
You know what that's called, right? Mature. You're growing up. And part of growing up known is the fact that you recognize, hey, shit, if I get into this situation, I'm not gonna win. You get into it with them, you're never gonna win. It doesn't matter. So just don't. Walk away. Come here. I'll talk with you. We'll hang out. Whatever we need to do. The other thing is this, is that if you're ever in a car, you smell like dope, you smell like alcohol, it's not gonna go well too. You're pleading now to this DWI. This DWI is gonna go on your record. Understand that from evermore, you get pulled over, you smell funky, it's not gonna go well. You understand?
Yes.
You give up a lot of rights by entering this agreement, Mr. Cope. You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses, test for any behalf, confront, cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country. You're giving up the right to appeal. When you plead guilty, that's it. I want to let you know one more thing. So what did he ultimately plead to?
So he ultimately pled on the MAJ for the arson. He pled to the 10-month state jail sentence.
So you pled to a state jail felony, or does he have a third degree on your record? Because I want you to understand that if you have a third degree on your record and you pick up a serious felony, the next time you could be a potential 15 to life case. So that's why I'm saying if you pick up a serious felony, it could be a minimum of 15 years. All right. How do you plead to the offense of DWI?
I plead guilty to driving while intoxicated.
I'll find you guilty. I'll sentence you to it. What are we doing?
3 days for 120.
So 3 days, 121? 121 days credit, Mr. Cope. I really wish you the best of luck, man. I hope you go out there, start working, killing it, making a ton of money. You know, really, that's what life's about, buying nice things, right? Get out there and make the world a better place, all right?
How come you know where your boat's at today?
No, I don't know.
Oh, sorry.
No,
I'm my bad. My
it's
bad.
okay.
I'm sorry. I'm
Hey,
sorry.
It's okay. You know what? I got to change it up, you know?
Okay.
Well, we're trying to look good for you. All right, my friend.
Thank you, Your Honor.
180 days driver license suspension. Yeah, please.
Mr. Copeland leaves with a DWI on record, 121 days in jail, and a suspended license, but also a rare courtroom reality check. The judge didn't just sentence him, he mentored him. One more serious offense, and it's 15 years to life. That's how thin the line is. Was the judge being too soft, or exactly what Copeland needed? Let us know what you think. If this case surprised you too, like, comment, and subscribe for more powerful courtroom moments. Real cases, real rulings, real consequences. You won't want to miss what's coming next.